This is Rene the Parrot, and he is ready to reveal his 2015 Oscar picks. First up is cinematography. Choose a seat. All right. He chooses Ida. Foreign language film. Tangerine. Actress in a supporting role. Meryl Streep, Into the Woods. Makeup and hairstyling. Makeup and hairstyling. Guardians of the Galaxy. Actor in a leading role. Eddie Redmayne, Theory of Everything. Actor in a supporting role. Choose one. Ethan Hawke, Boyhood. Costume design. Ready to choose costume design? Maleficent. Original screenplay. Choose a screenplay. Nightcrawler. Documentary feature. The Salt of the Earth. Visual effects. X-Men, Days of Future Past. Animated feature. How to Train Your Dragon 2. Original score. Here we go with original score. Interstellar. Animated short film. The Bigger Picture. Production design. Choose production design. The Grand Budapest Hotel. Film editing. Boyhood. Original song. I'm Not Gonna Miss You from Glenn Campbell. Live action short film. Aya. Documentary short. Joanna. Best picture. Choosing best picture now. Think. Boyhood. Sound mixing. Birdman. You finally chose Birdman for something. Sound editing. Interstellar. Actress in a leading role. Reese Witherspoon, Wild. Adapted screenplay. The Imitation Game. Best director. Choose a seat. Oh, you like that spot. Bennett Miller, Foxcatcher. And there you have it. Rene the Parrot's 2015 Oscar picks.